Another way to find the LCM, like I said, you can use the common multiple method. So let's say we are looking for the LCM of 4 and 8 as well. The multiples of 4, meaning the numbers that 4 can divide without the remainder. We have 4. Of course, 4 can divide 4, 4 can divide 8, 4 can divide 12, 4 can divide 16, 20, and so on. We'll do the same thing for 8. 8 can divide 8, of course. 8 can divide 16, 8 can divide 24, 8 can divide 32, and so on and so forth. So these are the multiples of 4, numbers that 4 can divide without the remainder. These are the multiples of 8, numbers that 8 can divide without the remainder. So to find the LCM of 4 and 8, remember LCM means lowest or least, smallest common multiple. Of course, the common multiple here, the smallest one is 8 and 8. You can see it. That's the lowest or the least or the smallest of all the common multiples. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So like I said in the previous video, this is another way to solve this, but this is a longer way and it's a more difficult way because you need to know the multiples of the numbers before you can be able to find the least common multiple. Alright, but I prefer the other way. So let's say we asked to find the LCM quickly. Just one more example of 6, 10, 12. You have to find the LCM of these numbers. How can you do that? Same thing we've done. It's simple. Alright, it's simple. Same thing we have already done. Now, I like using this method, so I would suggest you get used to it. Just draw the slice, and then you have 6, you have 10, you have 12. Like I said, you start your division with the smallest number that can divide them, which is 2. 2 divide 6 is 3, 2 divide 10 is 5, 2 divide 12 is 6. Now look again, can 2 still divide any of these numbers? Yes, 2 can divide 6, so we'll continue with 2. 2 cannot divide 3, so we'll bring down 3 just as it is because 2 cannot divide it. 2 cannot divide 5, we'll bring down 5. But 2 can divide 6 to give me 3. Alright, now 2 cannot divide any of these numbers again, so we are done with 2. We move on to the next number that can divide any of these numbers we are seeing here, and that next number is 3. So 3 can divide 3 to give me 1. 3 cannot divide 5, I bring down 5. 3 can divide 3 again here to give me 1. And then finally the next number that can reduce this, because our aim is always to get down to 1, 1, 1. Alright, to reduce everything to the lowest. So if I use 5 here, of course 5 will not divide 1, so I write down 1. 5 can divide 5 to give me 1, and 5 cannot divide 1, so I bring down to 1. So I'm now at the end of my journey. So my LCM here will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Like I said, multiply all the numbers on this left hand side. Multiply all these numbers here. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. So the LCM of 6, 10, and 12 is 60.